everybody, my name is Julienne,
I'm Hanzo.
And I'm Miguel.
and we are the Syntax Trio. Welcome back to another episode of the Algebros. Now, for today's topic, we are going to tackle a very interesting yet easy-peasy mathematics topic. Can you guess what it is, Miggy?
I don't know, Julie. I have literally no idea about our topic right now.
What? Are you being serious right now? Fine. How about you, Hanzo?
All I know is our lesson will be math takes.
Now I know why we're called the Syntax Trio. Anyhow, I am very sorry for those who are watching us right now. But back to what I was saying, for today's topic, we're going to learn a very simple.
Wait,
But challenging.
It is no other than combinations and permutations.
worry not, it is not hard as what it sounds, guys.
That's right, Hanzo. And nevertheless, of course, we are here to provide you step-by-step tutorial on how to solve more problems involving our topic.
Indeed. Now, enough with that being said, are you guys ready to enter the world of probability? If yes, then let's get straight right into it. But if not, pause this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell button so all of you can be notified whenever we post a new
Julie?
lesson.
Can we please just get right into the video?
But seriously guys, if you do what I said, I bet you're now ready to take on our quest. Now without further ado, before my filter partner delivery here, let's get started.
First, for this word problem, we will be using the permutation.
Can you read the problem for us, Hanzo?
Aye, Captain. So, in a major championship, 24 teams compete for 3 positions to get a title of first place, second place, and third place. Though 24 teams have the chance of the champion title, it also follows 23 contenders for the second place because one has been chosen as top 1. In how many ways in 24 teams get a chance to win the champion's title?
Alright guys, in order for us to get the answer from this problem, of course, like any other mathematical equations, we have a formula. Can you recall it for me, Miggy?
B equals n factorial over n minus r factorial.
That's right. Thank you so much, Miggy. So, math geeks, recall that permutation is the arrangement or ordering of a set of objects. So, remember that the arrangement of numbers matters, alright?
Alright, so now let's analyze the formula first. The P stands for permutation, of course, while the N is the total number of what needs to be arranged on the problem. Lastly, the R represents the ranking. So there you go, guys. Now that you already understood our formula, now let's observe the word problem.
So notice that we are looking for the number of ways that the 24 teams have the chance to win the championship title. And as what we have recalled, there are probably 3 positions that are open for the contenders.
So, technically, our N will be 34, or I'm sorry, my bad, it will be 24, while the R will be 3. It's that easy. Now, let's apply to the formula. P is equal to 24 factorial over 24 minus 3 factorial. Geeks, never forget that the exclamation point represents the factorial, so you have to multiply that number continuously in descending order until it reaches the number 1. So Hanzo, do the honor to solve the first problem.
Alright, so 24 minus 3 will be 21. And now we'll be having to equate 24 factorial over 21 factorial. You can already cancel the 21 to make it more easy. And voila! The answer will be 12,144 ways that these entries can be ranked. It's that easy. Now, you don't have to pressure yourself. Take time to pause this video and solve for yourself.
But if you got it right, then well job, kiddo. Let's move on to the next question, shall we?
Alright, so now that we are done with permutation, let us move on to the next one, which is the combination. The only difference between the two is the formula. And in permutation, the order of selection is important, while in combination, it doesn't matter. Now, let's proceed. Hanzo, can you tell us the word problem?
Alright, Julie, so on a startup company, a CEO was finding manpower for his project. With his 7 best researchers, found the best way to get profits by making a streaming platform. Then he made himself a recruiter to start headhunt some applicable candidates. Now he needs 2 designers and 5 developers. But after the headhunt in less than 48 hours, he found 30 applicants to work for his company. In how many ways can a CEO make his dream team for his project?
Wow, that's quite a long problem, don't you think, Miggy?
I think it is. I thought it would be difficult to solve it.
Well, there's only one way to find out. Now for this problem, we will be using both combinations and permutations in order to get the answer. So the formula that we have for combination is C is equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial multiplied to the value of r factorial.
So let's first solve the theme of designer as they are in charge for the theming and compiling. So the value of n will be 30, which is the number of the applicants, while on the other hand, the r will be 2 because we only need 2 designer. In solving this equation, we will be using the formula of permutation first. By multiplying everything up, you will get 870 ways on finding your dream designer team. Now let's proceed to the developers.
Now we'll equate the developers by using the formula of combination to get the overall answer. So the value of n will be 28 because the other 2 applicants were already in the designer team, while the r value is 5 as we are only looking for 5 developers.
Indeed, now let's proceed and apply the given to the formula, shall we? So, therefore, you will get 98,280 ways to find 5 developers from 28 applicants. To sum it all up, let's multiply the 2 values of developers and designers and we'll get the final answer.
It takes 85,503,600 ways to make your own dream team.
Yay! We got the correct answer, guys!
Well, that was a blast. I didn't know it was that easy, huh?
Me too. I didn't even set a sweat while we were solving the problem.
So yeah, how about our fellow math geeks there? Are you still keeping it up with the syntax trial? If yes, then you're one heck of a geek, aren't you? But if you're not, it's okay, we're still proud of you. Don't worry, we know you tried, you did your best, and that's what matters, right, Miggy?
Indeed. The best part about learning is not about achievement, but rather the process. So don't be down and never give up, alright? We, the syntax trio, will always be here for you.
That's right. And also, stay tuned for more lessons of the Algebros. Until next time, Math Geeks.
Bye!
Bye!